Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Structure Geek. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download OpenStreetMap data and access that data and also symbolize that data. So for that there are two methods, but before that you need to have ArcGIS Editor installer, and I have already made a video on that. You can watch my previous video. I will comment down the link below and you can watch from there. So now simply click on the catalog menu and go to your toolbox, my toolbox and system toolbox. Double click on it and find the OpenStreetMap toolbox. So here it is. I will simply double click on it and it will load some OpenStreetMap features. Okay, there are two methods. You can either download the OSM data from the ArcMap by accessing the internet, or you can load the OSM file of your own. So for that we need to go to the OpenStreetMap website and get our OSM data or OpenStreetMap data from there, and then load that OpenStreetMap data over here and symbolize that data file later on. So let's go to the OpenStreetMap website. So on Google, just simply search OpenStreetMap and click on the first search result. So you will get this website. This is the home page of the OpenStreetMap website. Then you can simply search the location you want to get the street map for it. So I will just simply search my own location, some location. So let's say this is the area that I want to get my OSM data from. So now I will just simply click on export and manually select my area. You can also put the coordinates for the area, but you can also manually select that area. After manually selecting that area, just click on the export and download that OSM file. Now I will just simply cut this OSM file and save it to the folder that is already connected to my ArcMap. Okay, and now that I have saved that file, now I will go to this load OSM file tool, double click on it and load that file that you have downloaded from the OpenStreetMap website. Okay, from load OSM file, just simply select your OSM file and then the target feature data set. So click on this icon and select where your OSM file is stored. Now I will also select my target feature data set. So for that we need to make a new geodata set. So click on this icon, new file geodatabase. And name it okay, then save this and double click on this and again name it and save it. So now click on OK. Okay, now our OSM file has been loaded. So now it's time to symbolize this OSM data file. So you can see over here that it's a vector data set. You can see the different layers, the point layer, the polyline layer, and the polygon layer. So for that, we need to go to this Symbolize OSM Data tool and double click on it. Okay, so now that our OSM file has been loaded and you can see the different vector data sets. Over here on your left, you can also see the layers, the point layer, the polyline layer, and the polygon layer. Now it's time to symbolize this OSM data file. For that, we need to go to Symbolize OSM Data tool and double click on this and wait for a while for the drop down box to load. Now from this Symbolize OSM data, you can input points, lines, and polygon. So click on this icon. Now first of all, we're going to add the points, and this was the place where we have saved this file. Just double click over here and add the point. So this is the point file. Add this and wait for a while. Now similarly, add the input lines. This is the line, and add this. So now that our points, lines, and polygon has been uploaded, now we will simply click on the OK and then wait for our OSM data file to get symbolized. The symbolization process might take some time, so be patient for it. Okay, so you can see over here that our OSM file, data file has been successfully symbolized. You can just simply turn off these point line layers too to view the symbolization features, or you can turn them on as well. And then you can zoom in and see the OpenStreetMap, and you can see different features, the restaurant areas, the residential houses, the traffic lights. You can see different streets. So now that's how you can view OpenStreetMap data file, and you can now easily access this in ArcMap. So that's how you can symbolize any OSM data file. So this method was the easiest, and I think it's the best method. You should use this one because uh, it's most of the time it works for everyone. So I hope you have learned something, and you can also apply the same technique with your own OpenStreetMap data file. And for stay tuned for more videos, and thank you so much for watching.